welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Angela and today I am going to be cleaning my closet. Oh my goodness, you guys, I am so embarrassed. This is so crazy. I recently I deep cleaned my master bedroom, and so I threw a whole bunch of stuff in here that I knew that I wanted to organize later on, and so that's what I am doing now. I am organizing my closet. So to start off with, I am just going to be placing everything that is on the floor and on top of the shelf in my bedroom, and I am taking this flooring out. I was gonna replace my flooring in this closet, but we want to renovate the closet and the master bathroom space. We're going to eventually just gut everything out, and there's no need for me to do that. So right now what I'm doing is I am just going to organize up here on top. I am putting everything on the ground and wiping everything down. Now I'm just organizing these bins on top of the shelf. I'm just going to rearrange them and just try to figure out exactly how I want them placed. So I decided to remove everything off the shelves. I'm going to be going through everything and decluttering everything and just getting rid of things that I don't need and I don't use, and just reorganizing everything. I've gone through this bin of scarves, so I am just transferring them over to one of the newer bins that I purchased. Now I'm going through all of my clothing and just figuring out what I want to keep and what I am going to get rid of. I'm going to be donating a whole lot of clothing. I'm in between sizes right now, so it's kind of hard to do that, but I did it. I decided to go ahead and just hang up all of my t-shirts. I really got rid of a whole lot of clothing a few weeks ago, and so I had some room to spare up on my hanging rack, and so that's what I'm doing here. So I decided to go through my clothes one more time and really decide what I really love and what I don't love. If I feel like I am not going to use it again, or if I feel like I haven't worn it in months, I'm just gonna donate it. So that's what I'm doing here. Now I'm doing the same thing with all of my pants and my jeans. So I'm just going through everything, deciding whether or not I love it, whether or not it still fits me, and moving on from there. Now I'm doing the same with my shoes. I am taking shoes out of boxes, reorganizing them, deciding whether or not I want to keep them, and that's what I'm doing here. So now I am putting everything that I'm going to donate in this bag. just gonna go through everything that I put in my bedroom. A lot of this stuff is stuff that I'm selling on Poshmark. A whole lot is just a whole bunch of my daughter's clothing. And so I am just gonna go through it and see what goes in the closet and what is trash and what is going to be donated. Now I'm just placing what is left on the floor up in its place, or in whatever place I decide to put it in, and I am going to vacuum the carpet, and that is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!